Hey Trevin, this is Mom. I just bought some Sui and I'm wondering what else I can do with it.
Hey Mom, that is a great question. Let me ask you how to show you how to utilize more of your Sui on Suilend. So the next step is creating your Sui Wallet. If you're just like my mom and you have a Gmail account or a Twitch account or even a Facebook account, you're actually able to log in with Sui Wallet.
Hey Trevin, I just created my Sui Wallet. Now what do I do?
The next step we want to do is go to Coinbase, copy the wallet address from your Sui Wallet, and put that into your Coinbase and hit transfer. Your Sui should show up in about 1 to 2 seconds, but it could take longer because of Coinbase. Once your Sui is in your Sui wallet, you'll be heading over to apps and clicking on Suilend to start your staking process for some juicy APR.
Hey Trev, I just staked my Sui on Suilend for 4.2%. That was easier than banking. Sui!